BIRD, stock analysis and price prediction. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments on my exact play. Let's get right with it, you know, with Allbirds stock. Allbirds sitting at 3% down. That's Friday only. I'm just interested to see how past week's performance was, which I think is down. Yeah, it was only 1% down, which is not that bad, because just from looking at this thing, it has been going down for a very long time, like from 2021 till right around now, man, you know. So what I'm gonna do, just go a little bit back. My bad. I'm just gonna bird. Haven't made videos on it previously, so I'm just gonna mark out the lows. Like, I'm not gonna be bullish at all. Like, I know maybe like it's kind of popular right now, like for whatever reason. The main way in which I'm gonna look for something bullish is if we start breaking above 82 cents. But for right now, it's still bearish. So yeah, if it gives me like a double break, then I'll take it lower. I'm using a strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins. If you want to learn it for free, check out the first link in the description.